How to fix Instagram feeds black screen problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram feeds black screen problem. It's easy. First go to the settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and after that click apps again, and then once you're here just search for feeds, click on it, and then just click force stop and go to storage and click clear cache, and now just go back and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.